Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share to you how to share screen on Discord with sound. Now normally you can do this pretty easily. You can go to share your screen and go to your applications or screen here and make sure that you check also share system audio. However, if that doesn't work, follow these steps. So basically what we're going to do is to register your app as a game and stream that app directly so it can have sound on it when you're streaming it. Okay, so go to settings here on the bottom left menu here and go to registered games and add the app that you want to stream. In this case, let's use Notion Calendar. Okay, once you've had that added to your game, now you can click again, share your screen, wait for it to load. Okay, now it will be available in the applications tab. If that still doesn't work, you go back to the settings and go to voice and video and just make sure you scroll down and make sure all of these settings here are enabled because sometimes it can hinder the audio production for your streams. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. I hope it works.